Right now, somewhere in this world, a one person business is closing a deal that a 10-person team could not. Not because she worked smarter, not because he worked harder, but because they used the right tool. That tool is AI, artificial intelligence. And if you are trying to build your own business or you are a hired professional and you're not using AI, you are far behind. This video is going to help you change the way you work. Welcome to this channel. My name is Endurance Okoro, and this is the place where those trying to build their own businesses and those trying to excel in their profession come to learn to use AI as their greatest competitive advantage. Every week, I'll be showing you the exact tools, workflows, automations, and strategies that I use to run my own business so you can do more faster with less stress and less cost. If that sounds like something you need, hit the subscribe button right now and let's get into today's video, shall we? Let's be honest about what it is like to run a one person business in 2026. You are the CEO, you are the accountant, you are the strategist, you are the customer service team, you are the writer, you are the delivery person, all at once, every single day. Now, while large organizations have different departments handling these functions, you handle them all alone, most times in the evenings and on weekends, among other things that life expects of you. And the market, it doesn't care whether you are one person or not. It expects the same professionalism from large agencies. Your competitors too, they may have tools that you don't have. So here's the honest question. How do you grow? How do you compete? How do you build something real without burning out in the process? That's exactly where AI comes in. I want to be very clear about something before we go further. AI is not magic. It is not going to do everything for you. It is not going to replace your thinking. It is not going to replace the relationship, the expertise that you bring to your work. No. What AI does is to remove friction and do the heavy lifting for you. Think about all the tasks in your week that don't require your deepest thinking, but they are still there in your your schedule and they take your time. Think about things like writing emails, drafting proposals, researching competitors, creating social media posts, summarizing documents, formatting reports, responding to inquiries. These do not require your deepest thoughts, but they're there on your schedule and they take your time. So every one of such tasks, every one of these tasks we have mentioned are things that AI can either do for you or do with you. And the sweetest part of it is that it will do that in a fraction of the time that you used to do it. Take, for example, what it is doing for me now. I like to write. I produce guides and all such. Up until early this year, I used to spend several weeks researching guides and producing them because I like to produce quality things. But today, I can do that in a day or less with the help of AI. Yes, I'll still have to review all the output it makes for me. I'll still have to personalize them. I'll still have to cut off rough edges to make it look the way I want it. But the heavy lifting is done for me. And what does that mean? It is not a small difference. It means a lot for me. Because that time I will have spent doing all of those, and now time that go back to my schedule. There are time I could now use to build a different products. There are time I could use to take up a different client. Time I could use to rest or spend with people that care for me. So that is what AI does. It doesn't make you less valuable. It only makes what you do more valuable. I want to stress that point. AI is not magic. AI will not take away the relationship you bring to your work, your expertise. AI is not going to do everything for you. It only removes friction. And it does not make you less valuable. It makes what you do more valuable. Here is what I find genuinely exciting about where we are right now. The tools that large companies have been paying thousands of dollars for are now available for free or for a few dollars each month. I'm talking about AI that can write like a professional copywriter, research like a trained analyst, summarize like an experienced consultant, or design like a graphic studio. Some are able to automate like a full operations team. Let me give you a few concrete examples of what is possible today as a solopreneur using AI. You can write a complete, well structured proposal for a new client under 15 minutes. You can plan an entire month of content for business in a single hour. You can create professional looking presentation from scratch in 10 minutes without touching PowerPoint. You can automate your email reports, your replies to emails, your client onboarding, and your follow-up sequences so they run even while you sleep. AI will continue to respond. And you can do all of this without being a tech expert, without hiring anyone, and without spending a dime, at most a few dollars. That is the opportunity sitting in front of every sole proprietorship, every small business owner right now. The only question is whether you are going to take it or not. I want to say one more thing before we wrap up, and I want to say it plainly. The small business owner and the professional who start using AI seriously this year is going to have a significant head start over everyone who waits. Not because AI is going away, but because the ones who start now are building workflows, they are building habits, and they are building expertise that will compound over time. A year from now, the gap between someone who has been using AI daily and someone who hasn't is going to be enormous. There's going to be a large difference in the output, in the income, in the quality of work that they deliver. So, what is holding you? Why don't you rather join to start to use AI from today? Well, this is not going to replace your skills, no, but it is going to amplify them. And the best time to start doing that is today after this video. Yes, my experience says so. I wish I had started using AI earlier than I did. When I finally committed to building AI into my workflow, it changed everything. It changed how I operate my business. It changed the outputs. It changed even the inputs to the business. I spend less time, I have more accomplished. So here is what I want you to do right now. If this video made sense to you, if you're a small business owner or a professional who is serious about using AI to grow, subscribe to this channel. Every single week, I'm going to show you the exact tools and workflows I use. No theory, no fluff, just practical, actionable content that you can apply immediately. I post new videos every Tuesdays and every Thursdays. Next week, I'm going to show you the 5 AI tools I personally use every day and exactly how I use them. You don't want to miss that, do you? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.